In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GitHub, a platform that's a vital resource for developers worldwide. Whether you're a budding coder or an experienced developer looking to enhance your collaborative abilities, GitHub is your go-to resource for version control and collaboration. It's a place where you can host and review code, manage projects, and build software alongside millions of developers. So let's dive in and get you set up. First off, you'll need to visit the GitHub website, easily done by opening your preferred web browser and typing in GitHub's web address. Once you're there, the initial step is to create your very own GitHub account. Just locate the sign up option and follow the prompts to set up your username, email, and password. Be sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in your details, follow through with any additional verification steps that GitHub might require. After this, you'll officially be part of the GitHub community. Once you've set up your account and signed in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is the command center for all your activities on GitHub. Next, you're going to want to start by creating your first repository. On your dashboard, look towards the top of the screen where several tabs are located. Click on the tab labeled Repositories. When you click this tab, you'll notice a green button on the right side that says New. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to creating a new repository, a storage space on GitHub where your project's files are kept. In the repository creation page, you're asked to fill in some essential details for your new project. First, you need to give your repository a name. Choose something descriptive that corresponds to the project you're planning to store there. Below the repository name, you'll see an option to write a short description. Although this is optional, adding a concise description could be helpful in clarifying your project's purpose. You'll also decide on the repository's visibility. For most projects, especially if you're looking to share your work, you might want it to be public. However, if it's something private, you'll want to keep it private. Don't forget to check the box that says Initialize this repository with a README. This will create a README file where you can describe your project in more detail. Once everything is set up, go ahead and hit Create Repository. Congratulations, you've just made your first repository. From here, you can upload your project files, track changes, and collaborate with others. With your new skills, you have the foundation to explore more complex features of GitHub and truly enhance your development projects. Thank you for watching and happy coding.